Verse of the day is Amos 5 verse 14. Seek good and not evil, that you may live, and so the Lord, the God of hosts, shall be with you, as you have spoken. This verse encourages us to choose the good path in life, seek what is right, and avoid what is harmful or wrong. It reminds us that when we make good choices, God is with us, giving us strength, comfort, and guidance along the way. The choice of which verse to focus on is yours.